right, let's take a look, shall we? So I am going to check that lateral flexion up top. We just looked at your new x-rays.
Mm-hmm.
Any discomfort when I press up through here?
Yeah, a little bit.
Left side?
Yeah, almost a little on both.
Both sides.
Yeah.
So we're going to do an adjustment there, but first I want to check the lower. And then down through here we need extension.
Yeah.
We made good progress. Keep it going.
Yeah, they're starting to peel off a little bit. Yeah, I like them.
So we're going to do lateral flexion right through here. Right there. Little push. Perfect. Okay. And then a little lower, we're going to do extension right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
That's the one. Your neck is brand new now. And let's slide down towards your feet. Knees up, hands behind the neck. Here we go. T7 on the right side. And nice deep breath in. Let it all go. Let it push down through here. Good. One more up a little higher. Okay. On your belly. What do we got on the socks? Stripes and polka dots. Good variety.
It's always random.
So this right side just wants to hang out at 1.4 millimeters. Next, I'm going to have you lay on your left side. Now we're going to go up and out right through here. On your other side. It's like you've done this before.
A couple times.
And we're running this hip down. On your belly. There we go. Polka dots are lined up. Any discomfort when I press up through here?
It's a little tight.
A little bit. Right in through there. All right. I'm going to hit you with the massage gun there. He's got a long drive ahead of him, so we got to make sure he's ready to go.
That's right.
All right.
All right, thank you.
There we are, sir.
Appreciate you.
Absolutely.
And
You
I'll
got
see
it.
Next time they give me one.
Okay.
All right,
We'll
good to
see
see
you
ya.
then.